woman, flesh and blood. It's that damned old rodeo. Oh, and it's tough blood. It's a dusty bull. It's a roar of a Sunday crowd. It's a white in the knuckles, the gold in the buckle. He'll win the next go round. It's boots, shafts, it's cowboy hats, it's spurs and let it go. It's ropes and the reins and the joy and the pain, and they call the thing rodeo. She does.